We're asked about the ratio of 1/5 to 4/5. This actually means 1/5 divided by 4/5. So this is equal to 1/5 times 5/4, which actually means 1/4. 8/11 of a number, let's call that number x, is equal to 120, and we're supposed to find this number out. So what we need to do is to multiply each side by 11/8, so that x is left alone, and x is equal to 120 times 11/8, which is equal to, when we divide 120 by 8, that's going to be equal to 1, and 120 is going to be 15. So I have 15 times 11, which is equal to 165. (27) is equal to 3/5 of what number? Let's do it by multiplying each side by 5/3 again. So x is left alone. X is equal to 5 times 27/3. When I simplify this, 27 will become 9, and what I have is 5 times 9, which is equal to 45. There are 9 girls, and how many boys? There are 14 boys in the club. And what part of the club consists of girls? That is, girls over total students, girls and boys, which is equal to 9/9 plus 14, which is equal to 9/23. Square root of 20 is equal to 2/9 of what number? Let's do it by multiplying each side by 9/2. So x is left alone. What I have in here is 9/2 times square root of 20. Actually, square root of 20 is equal to 2 square root of 5. So I can write it that way. 2 square root of 5. These 2's cancel out, which gives me 9√5. This is actually equal to minus in the front. 3/21. 21 is equal to 3 times 7 times 56. 56 I can say is equal to 7 times 8 divided by 12. 12 I can say 4 times 3. So when I cancel stuff out here, these 3's will be gone, these 7's will be gone, this 4 will be gone, and this 8 will stay as 2, and the result will be, don't forget the minus in the front, minus 2/3. How much will he pay for one book? Let's do it. This means that 8x is equal to 64/32. Therefore, x will be equal to, when we divide each side by 8, x will be, sorry, this doesn't cancel out yet. X is equal to 64/32 divided by 8, which is equal to 8.04. Do not forget the 0, otherwise it's going to be wrong. Size of a garden measure this much, and this much, and this much, and this much. The fence needed must be the sum of these 4 numbers. Therefore, I just sum all these numbers out. So what I need to have is, let's sum the integers first. What I have is 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 10, which is equal to, this is 12, another 12 makes 24, and this I have 34 here for the integers, plus all of them are having the same denominator as 3, And we have 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This makes 6. And 6 divided by, this is 6. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So what I need is 34 plus 2, which makes 36 meters. Ryan's book has 300 questions, and he had solved 1/6 of the book in a day, and then he solved another 1/4 of the book in another day. So how many questions had he solved? Let's see. 300 divided by 6 is equal to 50, and 300 divided by 4 is equal to 75. So he had solved 125 questions. The book is for sale for 4/7 of its original price, and the original price is $77. What is its sale price? Let's calculate it. We just have the x here, so we just write x down. 77 divided by 7 is equal to 11. So what we have is multiplying 4 by 11, which gives us 44. 9 is an integer already, and it is a rational number. Minus 2 is also the same way. Oh, it was plus. Nothing matters. This is also an integer and a rational number. Square root of 27 over square root of 3 is equal to square root of 9 times square root of 3 over square root of 3. So this is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3. And this is an integer too, as well as being a rational number. On the other hand, here what we have is square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 9. So this is equal to 1 over square root of 3. 9 is 3. This is equal to 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. Therefore, we have to choose this one. Anderson walked for 6 2/7 miles last week, and Oscar walked 7 times of this distance. So how much has he walked? This is equal to, we can call it as 6 plus 2 over 7/2. So this is going to be 42 when you multiply this, 7 by 6, plus 2 times 7 over 7. These 7s will cancel out, so it's going to be left with 2. So the answer is 44 miles.